Hi, in this video we're going to write the code to display the score. And we're going to start out in the Initialize method. And we're going to set an initial position, or the only position, for our text. We want this in the bottom left corner, so text pos 1 x is 10. Text pos 1 y, we're going to make this about 450. Now, depending upon the font and the size you use, you may have to change these around a little bit so that they don't run into each other and that they're visible at the bottom. So just use these as a guide, and if you used a different font or size, you can adjust accordingly. So there's that. And now we have the label. Remember we said O1 was going to be the label, and then O2 would be the actual score. So current score. And let's put a colon at the end of that. So there's that. Okay, looks good. And now we're going to go to the update method. And this is where we're going to take care of updating the score. We could put it in default, but I'm going to put it down here at the bottom, and you'll see why later on. So text string O2 equals int current score dot toString. These are integers, so we don't need to use any rounding or anything like that, like we did on some of that input stuff. And then we come down here to the draw method. And we want the score to be on top, so this will go in the default case. We'll put this down here. So sprite batch dot, remember these are strings, so this one is draw string. And we've got our one and only font. And as long as these don't overlap, doesn't matter which one we do first, but we'll just do O1 first. So text string O1. And then text pos 01, and then we need a color, and white usually works pretty well. At the bottom of the screen, it's usually kind of darker stuff down there, so putting things white usually works. We're just going to copy and paste this and change the 1s to 2 on the text string and text pos. So there's that. Now, when we restart the game, we need to reset the score. So we're going to go to change game state to these first two if tests where we're restarting the game and set int current score back equal to 0. And then we'll copy that and put it down in the keyboard one. And then we'll save. Then we'll start, see how it goes. B, and there we are, and there's the score 0, and it's moving. We got to try to win the game and watch the score. And go again, and it was back to 0 just for a moment. And there we are again. So that's that. All works good. So we're done.